Hey, Brian from Garage Wall. Today I have a 5-gallon bucket, of all things. I was actually kind of surprised because Amazon actually had it, and I was able to purchase it, and it got delivered right to my door. Like, how awesome is that? So let me just open this up and show you your 5-gallon bucket. So it comes with a lid, and I mean it's a 5-gallon bucket. Nothing like crazy or spectacular about it. However, I didn't have to make a trip out to the store. I got it delivered by Amazon right to my door. Super convenient. Comes with a lid, and I mean, who knew that you could buy a bucket online and have it shipped to your house? Anyhow, great bucket. I'm actually going to be using it to clean my fish tanks inside the house. It was easy to transport the water to back and forth where the fish tank's located. A lot easier than traipsing on like a big hose through the house or anything else. But anyhow, yeah. Brian from Reusable with your 5-gallon bucket. Be safe out there.